Well, everybody, I moved, and the dude that lived here before we did, he had a train set going through the living room and the kitchen and up, and this is the unit that is on it. It's a Union Pacific 32, a Bachman SD 40-2, I'm assuming. And the first three cars you see here, the first three, were his. There was a total of 5 of his, including the locomotive, which is 6. There's 6 things up here, and then the last 3 are mine. That's just a small amount of my collection that I got here. This is the rest of my collection. See, I got a UP grain car that's been ruined, and then I got a Union Pacific dummy engine, which is this one right here, and I got a Santa Fe unit. I got 2 sister C&Ws. I got a Krandic car. I got a 18SF steam engine, and I got several others that I'm working on in the process. As you see in the video before, I was running it, the train, and it runs pretty smoothly. And the dude he also left 2 turntables. He left an HO scale model layout, and then he left us an N scale layout as well. So once the second room is unoccupied, I'll be moving that into there, and we're getting videos from there. But so far, it hasn't been giving us trouble. The reason it's in the backwards position is because it runs better backwards for some dumb reason. It does, and we don't know why. It just does. So we'll just we'll just run it backwards. It ain't that big of a deal. This car right here, my first tanker car that I gotten. I know I have the Krandic car, but it's not a tanker car. A Burlington box car is pretty cool. There's also a Burlington flatbed car as well. I also have, and then the C&W caboose. Probably is the nicest caboose that I have. I have an 18SF, a UP, and a Burlington Rail, but this is by far the best. And if you see that down here, it says we're employee owned, and it's very detailed. Even the Bachman engine, it is very detailed. And you can see that. But there are people inside of the locomotive. The one thing that's missing from the locomotive, they wish it had, but it doesn't have a horn. So that is the one bad thing of it. So I'm going to run the train around for a little bit for you guys, and hope you enjoy.